So ladies, y'all see this wig? Do y'all see this wig? Like, I'm trying to help my sisters out to save some coins. Y'all don't gotta look cute and try to break the bank. We not doing that. 2020, we changing that. We not dropping $300, $400 on bundles on wigs. We not doing that. So here I am, the wig guard, here to help you ladies save some coins. Y'all see this color? This color is popping. Y'all see the style? This wig giving me real Nicki Minaj vibes. Guess what, honey? $22.99. Y'all ladies go out and check SAMSBEAUTY.com. They didn't come to play. What's up, divas? So welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey. If you are a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? So today I will be reviewing a wig from the Brown Sugar collection. Now I did get this wig off of Sam's Beauty. My first time ever reviewing a wig off their website. I did purchase this wig with my own coins, so this video is not sponsored. If you guys have not checked out my Sam's Beauty haul, definitely go over and check it out once this video is done. Now I am recording 2 videos in one day, so if you see me with the same attire on, don't come for me, honey. Now like I said, this is from, y'all see that? My phone was on it. I didn't even know. Now this is from the Brown Sugar collection. Now this wig is in the color of BS 136 and is in the color Scarlet. And this is how the packaging is looking. This is the front of the packaging as well as the back of the packaging. Now I'm gonna just take it out the packaging. Y'all know I'm a sucker for little bags like this because this is how I store my wigs. So she do come in the box like this. You have your stock card. So pretty much on your stock card, it shows how the wig is looking. Now this is a bang wig. I wanted to try something different. I haven't worn bang wigs in years, honey. Now this wig do come in a variety of colors, so I would definitely leave the link down below in my description box if you ladies do like this wig and want to check it out. I did wanted to try the 613 wig, but I really didn't know if it was gonna, you know, pass the watercolor mix fit, because I honestly think this is a blend of human hair and synthetic. I'm not too sure. I just seen the wig. I seen it was a bang. I chose the color. I liked it, so I just bought it. Now it says wash hair with shampoo and rinse thoroughly in warm water. Apply a small amount of cream, rinse, spray generously amount of leave-in conditioner. Then it says pat dry and brush with a wide tooth comb. It says always style from ends to roots. And then the last instruction says hair may be styled on low heat with a blow dryer or curling iron. So I'm gonna take this out the packaging, and like I said, she this is how it looks. She do have a hairnet over her. Y'all, if y'all see me that stock card all in my face, that's because I wear glasses, and when I record I don't wear my glasses because of the ring light and the glare. So don't come for me talking about why the paper was so damn close. So this is how it looks. I'm going to take this tissue paper out. You're going to turn the inside of the cap. Now this is the construction of the inside of the cap. You do have a comb in the nape area as well as adjustable straps. And you got this really large comb in the front area. Off the back, I do not like this comb because combs hurt. And for this comb to be right dead in the front, oh Lord. Yeah, you do have some adjustable straps in the back. Now it looks like this is a put on and go type of situation. I'm not getting no shedding. She is going to have to be flat ironed a little bit. The hair is really soft. It don't have a smell, and this is how the top of the wig looks. So I'm gonna go try this wig on and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is how she is looking. Like, I feel like this color gotta grow on me. Like I said, I haven't worn bangs in so long. So it feel like kind of weird. Like, I don't want to be out here looking like Dora the Explorer. And on top of that, I wear glasses too. So I don't want to be out here looking crazy. You feel me? But I do like how it's short. I do like the shortness of it. What I did notice is that if you do not tuck that comb under your braid, the comb is going to be sticking out the wig. I did notice that. I feel like it's best to adjust the straps after you put the wig on, because if you adjust the straps when you go to try to put the wig on, really? Alright, how much reversing can you do? Thank you. So now I did notice that if you adjust the straps beforehand, when you go to put on the wig, the comb that's in the front is going to snag if you have braids. So that was my one mistake. But after having the wig on, I don't really feel this comb in the front. It don't really bother me. Now, I do like my bangs like covering my eyes, so I may pull this wig down some more. I have always been like that since freaking high school. I like my bangs like covering my eyelids. Like, I don't understand why females, when they have bangs, they wear their wigs like this. They wear their wigs like this. I don't understand it. This look crazy. Like, this look crazy. This reminds me of one of them old actors. This look crazy. No, baby girl. Pull your wig down, honey. Yes, this is how it's supposed to be. Pull that wig down, okay? No, wait. Let me rephrase that. Pull that wig down if it's a bang wig, okay? If you got a lace wig, honey, pull it back. Baby girl, no, we can't be out here looking crazy, okay? But as I continue to look in the mirror, it's kind of growing on me. Like, I don't know. Like, do y'all like it? Like, how do it look? Keep it a buck with me. Like, if I look like Dora the Explorer, please tell me. If I look like that little midget man from Shrek, please let me know, okay? Please let me know. The weight at the bottom is not too bad. Some wigs like this, if you having so much weight at the bottom, the weight at the bottom is not too bad. I'm going to turn around so you ladies can see how the back look. Now, I really can't see the back, but this is how the back is looking. It's very smooth to touch. This is how the wig is looking. Now, y'all know I'm all about saving the coins. I'm all about helping you ladies find affordable wigs, because what we're not doing in 2020 is spending $400-500 on wigs. We're not doing that. We're not spending $300-400 on bundles. We're not doing that. So this is another reason why I made my channel, because I want to give you ladies the option on finding affordable wigs. You don't have to break the bank to look cute, and I say that in several of my videos. I'm going to help y'all save some coins. Now, guess how much this wig was? Guess. Take a good guess. This wig was only $22.99, ladies. $22.99 for this wig. So if you ladies do not have a beauty supply store that's open by you because of the madness that's going on in the world, check out Sam's Beauty. They have some affordable wigs. If you are not sure, read the reviews. Read the reviews before you purchase the wig. Go on YouTube. Look up the wig and see how it looks before you guys are purchasing it. I'm really satisfied with this. I'm really glad that I got this wig. It's definitely something new. It's not really out my comfort zone, but it's definitely something new. Maybe I'll try getting a 613 wig and see if it could color. But this is going to be it for this video. I hope you ladies enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out a lot. As well as comment down below and hit that subscribe button. And turn on all of your post notifications. So every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to you ladies later.